feel about it. I'm becoming a seasoned gardener, and sometimes you have to make tough decisions and decide what is working. You keep fertilizing, you keep watering, you keep taking care of, and what is not working has to go. Now, these chives had better prove themselves. So before I continue with this last little bit of fertilizing that I need to do with the chives, there is one little order of business I need to tend to, and that's getting rid of these pest-eaten collard greens. I am pulling those up by the root and putting them away. Maybe they will go in some type of compost pile. I haven't decided yet, but I did put them in a bucket of soil that's not being used, or potting mix, old potting mix. So yeah, it's time for them to go because they aren't doing anything. Looky. Two of us are turning red. I told y'all, if you watched the previous video, you will remember me saying that a couple of these were about to turn red. Daddy told me, and he was right. So I'm just doing a quick kind of pre-mid check, midweek check. Look at here. Look what's trying to bolt again. Got to cut that off. A fair warning to you, eggplant honey. Y'all better do something. You best to do something. You need to work on this farm. Okay. I think everything over here is doing pretty much what it's been doing. And again, we shall see. Look at this. That okra, baby okra is growing. It's going to need some support soon. Chives, I done told y'all. All right. Now I was just talking about you being a good plant because you tried this before and I took you off. And you started growing and everything. Look at you, but now you're trying to bolt on me again. So I'm gonna have to pinch you right on off to tell you to keep growing. It has been hot as I don't know what lately. So I've had to check a little bit more closely on my plants. I see this one is turning. And look at this little one down here. Can you see? And of course, one there. Look, there's a sucker. And I just pinched this little sucker off here. Maybe that'll give a little bit more energy back to that plant. Sorry guys, I had to cut the sound here because it was distorted. But I was just pointing out my new red tomato. You know, it's hard to play cameraman and host at the same time. Oh. Oh yeah, honey. I want you to pay attention to Miss Eggplant here. She heard me loud and clear when I told her she had to get to work. Looky. Ain't nobody got time for you to be hanging out on this patio. This is a vegetable garden, not a flower garden, honey. Get to work. Chop, chop. I guess I didn't get that full top there because I can still see a little bit of that flower. Let me pinch that off a little better. There we go. Yeah, you got to go because I need you to keep producing. Now remember, I did that. Look at there. See, y'all doing good. Y'all are listening. You understanding the mission now. You are understanding the mission. Got to work around here. Got to. And the okra is standing up nice and tall. Should I rotate that around? Why do I feel like Daddy stuck some more steaks in here? He might have. He might just have. Pull this baby out a little bit. Sorry about that. I don't know what kind of visual y'all got. Okay, this one has come off track. I'm gonna have to put that back on track. These chives don't believe fat meat greasy, but y'all gonna see. Cause as I said, if y'all don't do no better, you coming up out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize them this time, and I probably shouldn't. Again, this is an experiment, so they may not even require this type of fertilization. Fertilization. I keep saying that. They may not even require this type of fertilizer, but I'm going to do it. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't work, we'll just throw them away and know better next time. Look at this collard green. This baby, you got to go. Yeah, so anything in the garden has got to be producing or it's got to go. Thank you for joining me on my journey today. It's Miss Flowers, and I'm signing off. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.